Our topic is pipe fittings. You have 10 items to answer. This is to measure your ability to identify different kinds of pipe fittings. Identify the following. Let's start. Number 1. These are used to stop or regulate the flow of fluids. The answer is bulbs. Number 2. It is used to limit the flow of fluids to one direction only. And the answer is check bulb. Number 3. It is used to connect 3 pipes. And the answer is D. Number 4. It is used to connect straight section pipes of different sizes. And the answer is reducer. Number 5. They are short pieces of pipes threaded at both ends. And the answer is nipples. Number 6. They are full-size straightway openings that offer small resistance to the flow of fluid. And the answer is gate bulb. Number 7. It is used to join adjacent length of pipes. The answer is pipe fittings. Number 8. It is used to close the end of a pipe. And the answer is cap. Number 9. It is used to close an opening or fitting. And the answer is plug. And last, number 10. It is a kind of layout for pipes used in architectural plans. And the answer is diagrammatic. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quiz. This is Sir Imel Talag. Thank you for watching and goodbye.